What's the meaning of angrily? Angrily. 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 Angrily.
Angrily is an adverb that describes an action or behavior that is done with anger. When someone does something angrily, they are agitated and showing signs of displeasure or frustration. This can be conveyed through their tone of voice, facial expression, or body language. The result of someone acting angrily can vary depending on the situation. It could lead to arguments, hurt feelings, damaged relationships, or even physical altercations. It's important to identify when someone is behaving angrily and take steps to de-escalate the situation before it becomes harmful.